Hey, Eric from AHA here, and today I get to show you our new integration between AHA Whiteboards and Jira. It's perfect for refining plans during sprint planning or PI planning sessions. There's no setup, no configuration. I just paste Jira records into a whiteboard, do a one-time account authorization, and see the link. Check it out. All right, here we are in a whiteboard. I've got a sprint planning session set up, and you can see I've already identified some of the top priorities from a product side from AHA Roadmaps. Y'all know how to do that. These are those features. But I want to add in stories from engineering too. They have some technical debt they want to tackle in this sprint, and I think we should put that alongside the product feature. So to do that, I'm jumping over here to Jira. Here's my Jira project. Here's my Jira issue. Here's my Jira link that I just copied. Come over back to the whiteboard and bam, I paste it. That was the magic moment. I promise I did not just paste in a hyperlink though. You can see this is different. This is a record object. I can see status, type, ID, and name right there. It's also very much a whiteboard object. I can drag this around, connect to it. Engineering is going to come in here and vote on it and help me estimate it against the other things in the sprint. So we've got kind of the best of both worlds. At any time, we can also click into this link and go back to Jira and adjust the details right there. That is it. Lather, rinse, repeat. We can do this all day with as many Jira issues as we need to. It makes it really simple to collaborate with engineering, and we come out of sprint planning with a plan we're both excited about, which is fantastic. Enjoy.